Hi, everyone. This is a channel about Spotify tips. Today, you'll learn how to add Spotify music to Rekordbox. You need AudiFab Spotify Music Converter, which can download and convert Spotify songs to MP3 or other formats. Then you can import them to Rekordbox. Here is how. First, download and launch AudiFab Spotify Music Converter. The link is in the description. Then tap Spotify app record. Next, add Spotify music to AudiFab by dragging and dropping or pasting the URL. Select the songs you want and click OK. Now, choose MP3 as the output format and 320 kbps as the quality. You can also change other settings and output folder. Click Convert to start the process. AudiFab will download and convert your Spotify music fast and losslessly. Finally, to import your converted Spotify music to Rekordbox, you can use these methods. Method 1. Drag and drop the music from the output folder to Rekordbox directly. Method 2. In Rekordbox, click File and Import and choose Track, Folder, Playlist. Then select the converted Spotify music. Method 3. If you have transferred your converted Spotify music to iTunes Music app, click File and GT, Import Library and choose iTunes Music app in Rekordbox. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.